Sonia this morning, and I'm back to show you how, at one time before all the little gadgets came out and so forth, we were simplified in making cards. And this is kind of a back to basic, but yet stinking cute, adorable, lovable. A child would truly enjoy this, and he can even use the balloon after. Let me show you how I did this. This is not my original idea. This is something that I picked up on Pinterest, but it's the idea behind it that really that I enjoyed looking at, because it is so sweet. Like, who would think of doing something like that? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with a piece of cardstock, and this here I'm going to cut down to 3 3/4, 3 3/4, cut back 3 3/4 by 5 1/4, 5 1/4, like that. Now that's going to be one of our card fronts, and this here I cut at 4 5 1/2, and this is going to go up on top of here. So I am going to attach this on top. You can use whatever glue you want. You can use a glue gun. You can use liquid glue. You could use Tombow glue, whatever, as long as it attaches to this piece. I'm going to make sure that I've measured this. This looks a little long to me. 5 1/2. Yeah, I was going to say this will a little long. There you go. That makes more sense. 5 1/2 by 4. Pardon me. And now I'm going to stick that right on top like this, as straight as you can. Just going to do this again. I always struggle with this because I don't. There you go. That's perfect. Now I'm going to take the balloon, and I'm going to attach the balloon like this. The purpose behind the balloon is to make it look like an elephant trunk. Okay? So for this, all I did was, I wasn't quite sure how it was going to turn out, so I did it this way. And then I just added it like so. Okay? Then I added just to keep the nozzle, if you will, down. Now I'm going to need a couple of eyes, and these eyes I got at the Dollarama, and I'm just going to add on a couple of little glue dots on these, and I'm going to try to center it as much as I can to add the eyes together like that. There you go. It's starting to make sense, doesn't it? It's starting to make sense to you guys. There. That looks like a little face, doesn't it? And then from here, see, the kid can always take it off after and use it to make himself or her a balloon to blow up. And you can just, there's no rhyme or reason to how you fix your balloon. It looks like it no matter how you dice it. So okay, so I've got that, and then I print it out on my machine, but you could have it on a stamp, and you could fussy cut it. It's up to you. I just had this little happy birthday, so I cut it out. And then I separated both words because I'm going to put it in my little Xyron here. And this is going to allow me to add glue to this. Oh, I believe I'm out. Murphy's Law. I'm out of that. I'm out of my little sticker glue. Let's see if I can take that out. There you go. And then take the words out. This is the last piece. And I'm not quite pleased the way it came out here. This is going to be weird. I'm going to take it off and I'm going to reload my little machine here. And I should be able to add some more. But for now, let's move on. I'm just going to use my silicone mat here, and I'm just going to add some regular glue, some regular adhesive glue. So I'm going to add this on top, like so, and it's going to attach right straight through, just simple, saying happy. I'm going to do the same thing with the birthday. The reason I love this mat is because nothing will glue to it. It'll just glue to the adhere, I should say, or glue to the word, which makes it a lot of fun because your words makes it easy to maneuver. Let me see here what I can do, because there's no happy birthday. I don't like this nose, so I think I might push him up with a little dot. Let me see, where is my little picky pick? I had it right here. There you go. Okay, so we're just going to pull up the little nose here. And here we go. Like that. I'm just going to pull him up a little bit. His little nostrils here, like that. There. I like that. How stinking cute is that? It says happy birthday. How can you not like that? Happy birthday. And then from here, all I did was I had these buttons, and they're glue dot buttons in the back. So I'm just kind of adding randomly some buttons on here, 2 decorated buttons. Like that. And let me put in a yellow one for measure of gold, like that. I think I'd like to have another one on this side. So let's do it again. There's a yellow, there's a blue, and there's a yellow. I didn't mean to tag these along. And there's a gray, which is like that. Well, that ever cute, huh? That is so stinking cute. And it says, happy birthday. Now, I'm going to take my card topper, just like this, and I am going to add some more glue. It's easier to do my front here than it is to do the back of that because it's all rippity. And in actuality, what I did with the other one is I added some dimension. So I wouldn't have had to do that. I added some dimension tape. And again, my tape I buy from our Dollarama store, our foam tape. I find it as good as anything else that I've ever purchased, including my 3M tape, which I paid $50 for a big roll, although it's lasted me forever. This, the only thing, it's very sticky. I just find that it's hard to cut because it is so sticky. All right, so now I'm going to figure out where is my opening to make sure that I open it right. And here we go. And I'm going to add that right there, like that. It should follow all the way down. Look how quick and cute is that for a balloon. I think my balloon, I would definitely I think I bought my balloons just a tad too heavy, too fat. But it's the same balloon as this one. Maybe I should have pulled it up a little bit more. Let me see what I can do here. I'm not really crazy how this one here turned out, but I really like the pink one. You see, we're going to pull his nose all the way down. We're going to add a happy on top, like that. And the birthday, I do not know for sure if I can pull it all. Yeah, I can pull it off. That's all good, because I did like it better this way. Now, how stinking cute is that? Look at that. What child would not enjoy something like this? So this is how simple it is to make a card, going back to basics. I really enjoyed that. A child could do this and really feel a part of the birthday party they're going. So this is a great craft for the kids to make with mom or dad or whatever. And I'm just realizing I forgot to put the ears on. And how I made the ears is a simple thing again. I just took my good old heart punch. You don't need to have a punch. You could cut it by hand if you wanted to, because it would work just the same. And bear with me for a second here. I am going to grab on to a dauber. And with the dauber, I'm going to add some color to the end here. I figured there was something missing. I couldn't figure out what it was. And I'm just going to roughly, nothing fancy. Like, that's why I say that a child could do this and it would have absolutely a blast and proud. One of the first things he or she would probably say is, I made that, which is phenomenal for children. The more creative they can be, the more pleased they are with themselves. Let me see what else I can. And I'm just going to pull these buttons out because I ended up like that. I'm still going to lay them down, but I'm going just to play with them just a little bit more. Now I'm just going to add a bit more adhesive since I took it off. And there you go, guys. He's so cute. I can laugh because, oh, would I have had a ball doing something like that when I was a kid. There is my elephant with the ears and the balloon. This is Yvonne, and I'm going to let you go for now, but let your imagination go wild, and it is a fun project to do for a child or with a child. Whichever, have a great day, guys, but most importantly, be happy. I'll be back.